Hi everyone! Today we're talking about the ComOn3 with recording system.
The ComOn3 with recording system has an integrated data recording system where you can monitor your welding parameters. It's used for overlap welding of geomembranes. The welding range is from 1 to 3 mm with HDPE, depending if you use the 80 mm or 100 mm wedge. Before we can start welding, we need to adjust the pressure. For that, we plug it in and turn it on. We put in our material that we like to weld, close the pressure lever and adjust the pressure. In our example, it shows now 840 Newton pressure and we want to have 1200 Newton because we like to weld HDPE 2.5 mm. Once you have your desired pressure, fix it with the set screw to make sure it stays the same. Open the pressure lever and take out the material. Never go over 1500 Newton. If you do, you will have mechanical damages on the tool in a short time. You can also adjust the wedge and the ride height for your application. If you have questions about that, just let us know and we can help you find the perfect adjustments for your material and application. When you receive the ComOn3 with the 100 mm wedge from myBAK, we will adjust everything for HDPE material 2.5 mm. If you have the ComOn3 with 80 mm wedge, we will adjust it for HDPE material 2.0 mm. The next step is to adjust the temperature. Adjust your desired temperature with the up and down buttons. To activate the heat, push the fire button. Now it starts heating up. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 460 degrees. It needs some time to balance itself out. In our example, we work with HDPE 2.5 mm and we want to weld pretty fast, so we choose a temperature of 450 degrees. With the left and right button, you can adjust the speed. We adjust the speed to 2.5 meters per minute. You have the option of manual and automatic drive start. If you choose manual, the recording does not start automatically once you close the pressure lever and will also not stop automatically. You have to press the R button. If you choose automatic, it starts the recording once you close the pressure lever and stops it once you open it. Here we have two fuses for the drive and the heater. This is a protection. Before you start welding, you always need to do a test welding. We will do that right now. The test welding went well. Now you can start to do the real welding. If you always weld with the same material, you only have to do all the adjusting we did earlier once. But we recommend doing the test welding every day you start welding again. To understand the recording functions in combination with the myBAK app, we have a step-by-step guide that you will receive once you are a proud owner of the machine. The new ComOn3 with recording is available now. Send us an email for a quote.